Finally, in this chapter, let's run through some tips for effectively managing timeboxes. First, to check if a timebox plan is effective, ask, how soon can the solution tester start testing? And what is the soonest we can have a complete requirement? Delivering a requirement early in the timebox shows tangible progress. The project manager also needs to believe in timeboxing and encourage the team to prioritize work and finish on time. Never let a timebox overrun. In the worst-case scenario, stop the timebox on schedule and work out what is done. If little progress has been made, collectively acknowledge the failure, identify the reasons, and apply learning to the next timebox. Don't assume that just because the balance of must-have, should-have, and could-have requirements is good that the timebox will succeed. Achieving objective also depends on the skills and capabilities of the team, and problems can still occur. Observe the daily stand-up to check progress and enable quick reactions if problems occur. Build a trusting, no-blame culture to encourage transparency and honesty when reporting progress. At timebox kickoff, ensure the right people attend, acceptance criteria are as clear as possible, and risks are identified. Make sure a retrospective takes place at closeout and learning is actually applied in the next timebox.